One of the most important key to success is self-confidence. Confidence comes not from always being right, but from not fearing to be wrong. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence. Face your future without fear. Believe in yourself that you are the only person on earth who can use his ability completely. You must have confidence in your abilities. Then consistency is enough to follow goals. Experience tells you what to do. Confidence allows you to do it. When you know who you really are, then you can decide what is best for you. When you have confidence, you can have fun. In fun, you can do amazing things. Be confident about when you should grab something and when you should let go. If mind can conceive and heart can believe it, then surely you can achieve it. Confidence is the feeling we have before knowing all the facts in any situation. Be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind don't matter, those who matter don't mind. Begin your day with great confidence, because success comes only to those who are confident. Toughest barrier on the route of success is the fear of failure. Be confident. Stop saying I wish. Start saying I will. All goals can be achieved, only you have to believe in yourself. Facing difficulty with confidence, surely tomorrow will be better and brighter than today. Confidence is not when you have all the answers. It becomes when you are ready to face all the questions.